Hey guys, today we are in Skoda Octavia MK4 with a virtual cockpit with this instrument cluster, which is an LCD screen, and I'm going to show you how to reset the service reminders over here. So we are going to use this part of the steering wheel, and first of all press the right control wheel and select on the right screen, let me zoom in, select the trip meter over here, time and distance. Right now press this button to go to the right side. You have some details to choose from, so which trip computer you want to see, since start, your long-term data, or since refuel. And right now press and hold this for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release, and you are in the service menu. You can check the current inspection reminder settings. So we have this mileage to the general inspection and to oil inspection, oil service. Scroll down, and over here you have the reset inspection. You can select this, and now you need to confirm. So if I press again, I will confirm the reset. Second one is to reset the oil change. Once again, if you press it, you need to press it again to confirm that you are going to reset the oil reminder. If you do nothing, it will just go back after 5 seconds. You can check the engine code, you can set the time, I believe, and you can check the copyrights. I believe this is a legal requirement of this infotainment, let's call it infotainment system. And at the bottom there's back. You can go back, and you are back to your normal operation screen, so you can set it where it was before. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial, and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.